Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate how I did the Excel gradebook assignment. So here's my Excel. Okay, first we're going to put the names in alphabetical order. So you're going to highlight all of the information. We're going to go to the Data tab, and under the sort we're going to press the arrow and choose ascending. So that changes everything. Then we're going to do the quiz average. So we're going to press equal, sum, open parentheses, and we're going to choose the cells we want to add together. Close parentheses, since it's an average, we have to divide, so we're going to put a slash. We're going to divide it by 200. Since we did the first one, you can go to the bottom right-hand corner of that cell and you can drag the formula down all the way. So you can either leave it like that, or you can put it as a percentage, or you can just leave it as general. So then we can do the same thing for the test average. So you do equal, sum, open parentheses, and you select the number. Since the average, we divide. When you're calculating what number to divide by, you don't use the scales 100 because there's no grade. So it's going to be out of 500. Okay, so once you get that, you can bring down the formula again. And it's going to have this little triangle at the top left corner. And that's just saying that it was calculated with empty cells, and that's okay. You can just ignore that. So now we're going to go to total points. So we're going to do the same thing, do equal, sum, open parentheses. So this number does include the average. So you're going to select all the numbers that don't include the average. Then you're going to do close parentheses plus. Then you're going to type out sum again with open parentheses and select the other numbers. And you're going to press enter. So once again, since you did the first one, you can bring down the formula. Okay, so now we're going to do the GPA. So GPA is out of 700, and then you're going to have to add this extra credit to the total point. So you're going to do equal, sum, open parentheses, add these two columns, and then divided by 700. So once you do that, you can bring down the formula. Okay, so now we did all the averages. Now we're going to do the class average. So it's going to be the same thing, sum, open parentheses. You don't want to include the total points, so you're just going to pick the numbers for the people. Close parentheses, divided by 10, since there's 10 students. So once you do that, you can drag the formula down. There we go. Okay, so now that we did that, we can make charts for any of these numbers. So we're going to do the quiz average. And then you're going to highlight the cells that you want to make a chart out of. You go to chart. And then they have all kinds of charts. They have column, line, pie, bar. So we're going to do a column. So here's our little chart. Come down here. Okay, we can do test average. Do like a pie. Yeah. And then you can change anything on these. You can change like the color, whatever you like. You can do whatever. Alright. Now, to edit the chart, we can just highlight this, And let's add an auto filter. So you can go to data again, and this filter you just press it, and then the arrows will come down on the Excel spreadsheet. So once you have that, we can now add a header. So you can go to layout, and then there's an option for header and footer. So this comes up, and then you can choose any of, they have options for you, or you can make your own. So we're going to do left section. You can choose where you want. You can put your information in the center, the right, or the left. So I'm just going to do the left section. Okay, press OK. And now there is a header. So to make sure you have your header out there, you can choose normal or page layout. And now there's a header on each page. Okay, so we did the formula. We put it in alphabetical order. We did the autofillers, and we added a header. So that is all the instructions for this assignment. The only thing else that you have to do is you need to copy and paste your screencast URL in the document. But that is it. Hope this helped.